Hello, and welcome to my first video in a very long time. I've been kind of busy with college, but I just finished yesterday all my final exams for the first semester. So, I'm gonna do videos now, random videos of games like these, of me by myself or me with friends, or more videos of movies and TV shows and all that I think you should watch. This game is called Suspect, I believe. So, we're ready to play it and see what's up with it. Alright. Shock Tunes presents Idea by Mr. K2. I don't know who that is. Inspiration by Heavy Rain. Never played that video game before, but I've heard good and bad things about it. Whatever. What should we do? Cough? Sorry. It's cough. What? They're not even speaking real words. I don't. Are they speaking Russian? I don't exactly know why we're interrogating this guy. He kind of just shoved me in there. Alibi? What did you do in the park yesterday somewhere by 5 o'clock? I was waiting for my girlfriend, ... I had to give her her belongings, but she did not come. What does ? What are you doing here? Just went for a walk. Do you mind if I'll search your house? I know that the house you close. What? Whoa. Alright. Oh, okay. I thought I'd do the letters. I'm not really good with those. Alright. Up, down, left, right. Press space to continue. We'll see what happens, guys. Oh, shoot. Oh, fuck. We have to do all of them. God damn it. Alright, I'm not good with this, so be prepared to watch me fail. Oh, God. This is like a Tom Cruise movie. Oh, shit. At checkpoint, I guess. I know that the house you close, alright.
Sir?
Oh no! Do it! Ah! C. S. I pressed S. It still hit me. Oh, Jesus. Z. S. Ah! Down. It's like Mission Impossible 3. Oh, fuck! I pressed X! Fuck's sake. We have to watch this all over again. They're not even, I think they're speaking Russian, to be honest. They probably are. Ugh! C. S. Go. Fucking, go. S. Down. X. S. Ugh! Jesus Christ! I pressed down instead of up. Alright. We're gonna catch this guy. We're gonna do it. Sir, are you alright? C. S. I don't know why he still hits me. I guess it's to trigger the run sequence. Oh, fuck me. I didn't do it right. Alright. For fuck's sake. It's so fast. My reflexes suck. Fucking, I don't know.
Sir?
Sir? Space. For fuck's sake. Run. Get him. Z. S. Down. I'm ready for X now, you motherfucker. Yeah. Alright, here's gonna shoot the gun at me. Alright. S. Up. Yeah. Be ready. C. Ah! C. Woo. That was close. What the hell is that? A smoke bomb? Lord. Ah! Oh, yeah! Fucking tackle him. Get him. X. 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 Up. Kick his ass. He almost shot you, for fuck's sake. Oh, shit. Oh! Good God!
Z.
You fucking arrested. You fucking arrested. I think they are Russian. And we caught him. Well, oh, they are Russian. Look at that. I was right. Fahrenheit, God of War 3. Have not played any of these games. I don't know who these guys are. They're definitely Russian, though. Oh, there's a soundtrack. Heavy Rain, Painful Memories. Blah, 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 blah. Creating time 3 weeks without interruption. Wow. What's this? Let's see if I can play it. Well, that was a short video, but it was actually pretty entertaining, to be honest. Alright. Thanks a lot, guys. Watch, like it, dislike it, subscribe, unsubscribe. I don't really... You can do what you want. You're your own boss. Woo! Alright. Bye.